Hey there and welcome to this quick tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to add or update your bio in the IMDb app on your Android phone, whether you're an actor, filmmaker, or just building your profile. This step-by-step guide will help you get it done easily and fast. First, open the IMDb app on your Android phone. Next, tap on your profile icon or go to the Account section. Then, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the Edit icon. From the list of editable fields, tap on Bio. Now, enter your bio information. This can include a short description about yourself, your work, or career highlights. Once you're done, tap the checkmark icon at the top right corner to save your changes. Your bio is now saved and visible on your IMDb profile. And that's how you add a bio to your IMDb profile using the Android app. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. See you next time.